Alright. Let's start there. Your topic is about environment and nature. So please spell pollution.
Pollution.
Please
Pollution.
spell recycle.
Recycling or recycle?
Oh, recycling.
Recycling.
Alright. Okay. Please spell disaster.
Oh, disaster. Disaster. Disaster.
Alright, thank you. So, now from you. What is disaster?
Disaster is like uh, earthquake and then maybe tsunami and then maybe like uh, uh, so disaster like there is some condition like earthquake like tsunami that can destroy our nature.
Alright, Ape.
Okay.
What is recycling? Recycling.
Recycling is like uh, when we like the trash become other thing that's safe for the environment. Example like the plastic and then get recycling to become the paving block like that. So recycling is like uh, change the bad thing to the good thing.
Alright, thank you. So, what is pollution?
Pollution is a thing that block our environment, and pollution is come from machine like motorcycle, and then car, and then uh, and factory, and the pollution is, for example, like a smoke from factory or motorcycle or car.
Alright, thank you. So, Nilüfer, yeah? Please give a short speech on your opinion about pollution, recycling, and conservation.
Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, to everyone, in this speech, in this occasion, I will speak about a pollution that block the nature. Okay, first, like you all know, in Indonesia have a very bad environment. Yes, and then the pollution is many and like broke and village and become a child or people that live in that village we will sick, we're getting sick. So the pollution is very bad, and for like you all know, pollution is not come from just a machine or car, like car or motorcycle. It's come from and garbage too. Like the pollution is come from the village itself. Like the person that live in that village is throw a garbage in a river, and it makes bad pollution for their village. So and then there was a team like from university that come to that village, and they do a conservation to that village, like planting a tree, and planting a tree um, for cleaning the air in there and make the environment better again. And then they teaching that village to do a recycling. So if they use for example like a bottle, so they can use again for like making toys or what like boat for they can fishing in the river. Okay, okay, that's all. Okay, so the conclusion is pollution is a very bad thing that effort that there's in there is in Indonesia, and so we need to do conservation and recycling for helping the environment become better again. Okay, so that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's talk about the climate disaster and pollution.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arfan HP from Nancy, and then today I want to speak about climate disaster and pollution. Okay, so that you know in the world there is the name is climate. Like I will take example in Australia. The climate in Australia is very bad. Like example like hot season. In Australia there is many jungle, and then when the climate is very hot in Australia, the jungle will get burned by by the sun because the condition in Australia is very hot, and then they can become the disaster because the jungle is get burned because the climate is very hot. And also when the jungle is burned by the fire, and then that can become the pollution because why there is the smoke fly to the sky, and then the causes is from that pollution. The people around that jungle, people from around that jungle can be sick like flu and others. Okay, so the conclusion is for my speech that is the climate causes the can causes the disaster, and also uh, from that disaster can causes the pollution. Okay, so maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Please give to your friends on you about conservation, recycling, and disaster.
Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let me introduce myself. My name is Fakir Abdurrahman. I'm from Nancy. So today I wanna do like a short speech about our environment and nature. Okay. So as you know, Indonesia is have like not really good environment in around. So people like some people like that like now about the plan, so they like do a conservation about conservation to the nature, like plant a tree or can like save the animal, so they can save the nature, because if we do a conservation, maybe like plant a tree that can make a good oxygen, and that can it can uh, that can so we do a conservation can make a good oxygen and decrease the pollution. uh, and there is some good thing and very important that we can do recycling to decrease trash. Maybe like we can take plastic and we can recycle to good thing. Maybe make like bottle or another like yeah something good thing. So if we do recycling, that can make decrease a trash in the our environment and our nature, that can avoid the disaster, maybe like a flood, because if we can uh, can decrease the trash and we can do recycling, maybe our nature can more clean and our environment is good, so that can decrease disaster, maybe like a flood. So the conclusion of my short speech is uh, people must uh, must to do conservation, because uh, our environment and nature in Indonesia is not really good. Maybe like many pollution in the environment, so we can do a conservation like a plant a tree, and then we can do a recycling, so that can decrease trash and make a good nature, so that can decrease the disaster. So I think maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.